So I'm back here in the 100-degree heat in New Orleans, sweating my ass off. A lot of people have asked me about my Runaway as well, on why I have a front window in my Venturous and why I have no AC unit. I plan to use this trailer for boondocking a lot and being off-grid. And, you know, unless you have some ridiculous solar and battery setup, you can't run the AC off-grid anyway. So I did not see the need to have a full-time AC attached on the front end. Plus it gives me an extra window. I can open it, I get more airflow, I get a view out of there. Kind of nice to open everything up. Now, when we do go to organized campgrounds or when I want to camp in the summer, I did want an ability to put some kind of window unit in here to have some kind of air conditioning, because in southern temperatures like this, you don't want to go camping. You don't want to go camping in the deep south in August with no AC. It is the most miserable thing unless you're like right on the beach and sleeping in a hammock. So I created just a little quick rough design to kind of rig up a window unit in here. And the goals are, you know, I wanted something I could pop in and out easily, that would cool the trailer down, that wouldn't take up a lot of space, and then I could use it when I wanted and leave it home when I don't need it. I made this little cutout. It's very simple, it just traces the door, has a cutout for the AC unit, then I put a little 2x4 here as a brace. I also use these little sliding locks to lock it into place. It is pretty simple. All right, so it's pretty simple. I just put these little pins, these little latches in here to secure it so that it won't go in or out. So I pop that in there and then the unit just slides in. Pretty simple. That's it. That's my quick setup window unit. Usually put it up in like maybe 2 minutes, and take it down is even faster. I can drop the temperature, even on a day when it's like 100 degrees, temperature will drop down to 70 like in a matter of minutes. And usually at night, I will have this trailer so cold you need a jacket, or you need to turn the temperatures up. Also, I carry this bin. This is one of these basic bins from Home Depot. The HDX seems to fit it quite nicely. The 27-gallon to be exact. You have to remember when you pull this unit out, it's going to have a lot of condensation and water dripping, so I usually put the bin right there, pull it straight out, and it usually stays right here when I'm traveling. The board goes back there. As I said, when I'm boondocking, I usually just throw this in my shed because I don't need the window unit at that point. But it's been a great idea to give me air conditioning when I need it. I think I picked that unit up for like $150, you know, another 20 bucks for a piece of wood and some latches. That's what it looks like from the outside. It's not perfect. I've got some gaps up in there, but it really doesn't matter. It does the job. The only downside is if it rains, you could get a couple drops in some of those cracks. Perhaps in the future, I will make some type of little awning. Some little awning that I can quickly deploy to go over it. So it's working out well.